Pydantic AI's agent framework routes execution behavior through a single mechanism. The capability, a composable unit that bundles tools, hooks, and configuration, pass to the agent constructor via its capabilities parameter. The code below demonstrates how a custom capability wraps an agent's toolset to intercept and log every tool call before it reaches the model. The setup defines a LoggingToolset subclass of WrapperToolset that prints each tool invocation, a log tool calls capability that returns this wrapper via getWrapperToolset, an agent configured with that capability, and a plain function tool registered through at agent tool plain, and finally calls agentRunSync to trigger the full flow. From data classes, import data class. From typing, import any. From Pydantic AI, import agent. From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import AbstractCapability. From Pydantic AI, toolsets, import AbstractToolset. From Pydantic AI toolsets, wrapper, import WrapperToolset. At data class LoggingToolset, WrapperToolset any. It logs all tool calls. Async def call tool. Self tool name, SDR tool args, dict SDR any args, any asterisk quargs, any. Zeny. Print calling tool, tool name. Return await super. Call tool name, tool args, asterisk quargs. At data class log tool calls AbstractCapability any. Wraps the agent's toolset to log all tool calls. Def get wrapper toolset self, toolset, AbstractToolset any. Return logging toolset trapped equals toolset. Agent equals agent openI, GPT-5, 2, capabilities equals log tool calls. At agent tool plain. Def greeting, SDR. I greet someone. Return f hello name. Result equals agent, run hello. Hash tool calls are logged as they happen. This wraps the agent's assembled toolset with a logging layer via getWrapperToolset, intercepting every tool call through LoggingToolset, which extends WrapperToolset. The capability returns a new toolset that prints the tool name before delegating to the wrapped one, giving you visibility into execution without modifying the tools themselves. The separation into AbstractCapability subclass and WrapperToolset subclass is the standard pattern for cross-cutting tool behavior. It keeps tool registration clean while giving you a single interception point for all tool execution. Trade-off is you only see the name and args at the wrapper level, not the result, but the super call preserves full functionality. This is the go-to approach when you need logging, metrics, or pre-post validation around every tool call without cluttering individual tool definitions. Let's break it down. From data classes, import data class. From typing, import any. Imports data class decorator for defining data classes and any type for unrestricted type annotations. At data class logging toolset, WrapperToolset any. It logs all tool calls. Defines a data class logging toolset inheriting from WrapperToolset that, per its docstring, logs tool calls. Async def call tool. Self tool name, SDR tool args, dict SDR any args, any asterisk quargs, any. Zeny. Print calling tool, tool name. Return await super. Call tool name, tool args, asterisk quargs. Overrides call tool to log the tool name before delegating to the parent class implementation. At data class log tool calls AbstractCapability any. Wraps the agent's toolset to log all tool calls. Def get wrapper toolset self, toolset, AbstractToolset any. Return logging toolset trapped equals toolset. defines a capability class that wraps an agent's toolset in a logging toolset, delegating the past toolset to the wrapper for interception.
Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5. 2. Capabilities equals log tool calls.
Creates an agent bound to the OpenAI. GPT-5. 2 model with log tool calls capability attached, assigning the result to the variable agent.
At agent tool plane. Def greeting. SDR. A greet someone. Return f hello name.
Registers a plain tool function, greet, that takes a name string and returns a formatted greeting, using at agent tool plane to mark it as a tool without agent context access.
Result equals agent. Run allo. Hash tool calls are logged as they happen.
Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the message, hello, storing the returned run result in result. Tool invocations during execution are logged as they occur. The whole thing is a single interception pattern. AbstractCapability subclass defines the behavior. GetWrapperToolset hands back a WrapperToolset subclass that overrides callTool, and that wrapper sits around every tool the agent owns. LogToolCalls returns a logging toolset that prints each tool name before calling super, so you get visibility without touching the actual tools. Registering the greet function with an agent tool plane keeps it plain, no agent context needed, and dropping log tool calls into the capabilities list wires it in. The trade-off is you see name and args at the wrapper layer, but not the result, though the super call preserves full functionality. So logging, metrics, pre-validation, all cross-cutting concerns land in one place without cluttering individual tool definitions.
A wrapper catches call tool before the tools hear their names. Then super falls silent.